Hey, welcome back to my channel. AMU171 replace remote control applicable for. New AMU171 replace remote control applicable for Sony Hi-Fi system, no programming or pairing needed. Install new alkaline batteries and works. Compatible with below Sony Hi-Fi system, CMT-BT60 CMT-SBT100 CMT-SBT100B HCD-SBT100 CMT-BT80W CMT-BT80WB CMT-BT60 CMT-SBT100 CMT-SBT100B HCD-SBT100 CMT-BT80W CMT-BT80WB Power supply, 2x 1.5 VAA alkaline battery package content, 1x remote control. New AMU171 replace remote control applicable for Sony Hi-Fi systems CMT-BT60 CMT-SBT100 CMT-SBT100B HCD-SBT100 CMT-BT80W CMT-BT80WB CMT-BT60 CMT-SBT100 CMT-SBT100B HCD-SBT100 CMT-BT80W CMT-BT80WB. No programming or pairing is needed, just install new batteries and it is ready for use. Power supply, 2x 1.5 VAA alkaline battery. Batteries and manual are not included. Please feel free to contact us if you have any query, thanks. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.